Hello and welcome to Learn English with Podcast. My name is Sarah Thompson and I'm so happy you are here today. If you are learning English and you feel nervous when speaking, or if you feel like you are not fluent yet, this episode is just for you. Today we are talking about fluency, and I will tell you the truth about fluency that no one talks about. After listening to this podcast, you will feel more relaxed and more confident in your English journey. So let's begin. First, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought that you are not good at English because you cannot speak fast? Have you ever stayed silent because you were afraid to make a mistake? Do you think you need to sound like a native speaker to be fluent? If you said yes, don't worry. Many learners feel the same way. But these ideas are not true. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is not about having a perfect accent. And fluency is not about knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency means you can share your ideas in English comfortably and clearly, even if you speak slowly. Even if you make small grammar mistakes. Even if you sometimes forget a word. That's okay. That is still fluency. You see, many people are afraid to speak because they wait for the perfect time. They wait until they know more vocabulary or until they feel ready. But the truth is, if you wait, you lose time. You become fluent by speaking. You become fluent by practicing. You become fluent by making mistakes and learning from them. Here's a secret most teachers don't tell you. You can have a small vocabulary and still be fluent. Yes, really. Most people use the same 1,000 to 2,000 words in daily life. So if you focus on learning simple, common words and use them often, you can understand and speak in most situations. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are in a cafe and you want to order coffee. You don't need to say, "Hello, I would like a freshly brewed medium roast coffee with almond milk and a dash of cinnamon, please." You can simply say, "Hi, 1 coffee with almond milk, please." That's fluent. That's communication. Many English learners think they need big, fancy words to sound smart. But native speakers don't always use difficult words. They use clear, simple language, and that's powerful. Now let me tell you a short story. One of our listeners, her name is Amina. She's from Egypt. She told me that 1 year ago she was too shy to speak English. She always stayed quiet in class. She thought her English was bad. But one day she decided to speak anyway. She made some mistakes, yes, but her teacher understood her, and her classmates smiled and helped her. That day changed everything. Now Amina speaks English every day. She listens to podcasts, reads easy books, and speaks to herself in English in the mirror. She's not perfect, but she is fluent, and you can be fluent too. So, what can you do to become fluent? Here are a few easy steps. First, speak every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself, talk about your day, or repeat what you hear in this podcast. Second, listen more. Listen to simple English every day. It can be a podcast like this one, a story, or an English video with subtitles. Third, read easy books. They are called graded readers. These books use simple English. They help you learn grammar and vocabulary naturally. And last, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. Every time you speak, you improve. Fluency is not something you suddenly reach. It's something you build slowly, like a house. 1 word at a time, 1 sentence at a time, 1 conversation at a time. So please don't give up. You are doing better than you think. You are already learning, already improving. And if you keep going, you will become fluent in your own way. Thank you for joining me today on Learn English with Podcast. If you liked this episode, please follow this podcast and share it with a friend who is learning English. Remember, fluency is not a dream. It's a habit, and you're already on the way. I'm Sarah Thompson, and I'll see you next time. Take care and keep learning.